Each of the 30 modules can be accessed from the top menu, or directly from the icons at the bottom of the screen. In each module, the information is organized using categories and items, which can be renamed and reordered as needed. You can archive items, retaining their full history without clutter. The tab menu on the right side of the screen provides you with a 360 degrees view. You have a variety of options to sort, filter, and search. Sort by clicking on a column header. Use the year selector to expand or reduce the time period. Enter text in the search box to filter on a specific item. Each record can have multiple attachments. These can be uploaded from a file, or acquired from a scanner. Allowed types are Office documents, XML, text, pictures, zip and voice. At any time you can export your documents to a folder, including an index with embedded links. Reports are available to provide information in PDF format, exactly as entered in the system. Finally, each module provides a built-in analytical page providing immediate visual insights for decision-making.